Professor Jenny Hudson from the Centre for Emotional Health and the Department of Psychology at Macquarie University. Well, anxiety is actually a really normal emotion that everyone experiences. It's like fear, kind of a normal emotion, but some children and adolescents experience it more often and more intensely than others. So it's kind of the same anxiety that everybody experiences, but it just kind of gets switched on kind of more often and then more intensely, and then has a bigger impact on a child's life. Things to look for might be things like avoiding different situations. So children who are worried about things will avoid those things that make them feel nervous. So they might be skipping school, or they may be not being able to speak up in class, or not participating in group activities, or maybe at home they might be having troubles going to sleep at night time, or having trouble getting out the door in the morning because they're worrying a lot about what's going to happen. So a lot of the indicators are like lots of questions. Kids that have anxiety tend to ask a lot of questions like, what if, what's going to happen, mum, and lots of repetitive questions. So they're often kind of a good indicator of kids who are worrying. Yeah, it is. It's often overlooked, really, because often kids are experiencing this anxiety internally, and other people don't pick up on it. So often it's really difficult to pick up on. Some, it may be seen as inattention. So kids who are worrying a lot might get stuck in their heads and be worried all the time, and then it might be seen by teachers as just them being inattentive and not focusing, but it's actually they're kind of worrying a lot. And sometimes it can be seen as naughty behaviour as well. Like kids who don't want to go to school or don't want to do a particular situation or go into a particular situation might be might have a tantrum or get really upset, and so people might see that as just being naughty when it's actually they're just really scared of going into that situation.